This app will make your life so easy. Invent a bot. You can invent your own private robot to do whatever you need. So for example, I'm going to create a proofreader. Whoops, that's my first spelling mistake of the day. Proofreader. The profession is to proofread any text, correct spelling mistakes, etc. in the text I will paste in the box. That's it. Now I never have to do that already. These are all the robots I've made. The recipe writer, empathizer, blog post writer, customer service rep. Very easy. So I'm going to go back to the proofreader. I'm going to find some text that someone's asked me to proofread. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Tom. See the spelling mistakes? Now I'm going to go paste it into the proofreader, click say it. Then this harnesses the power of ChatGPT, and it's written the story perfectly. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Tom. Tom was a good boy who never made any spelling mistakes. If you look, I actually wrote spelling wrong here with one at the end, and over here, he's fixed everything perfectly. Now I can copy this and just reply and paste it here, and all done. No-brainer. You can just create as many bots as you feel like just by clicking that, and then you just put the name of the bot. You can call it anything really, profession, and then it will just do exactly what you say. Unbelievable. Share this, love this video, so you keep getting more and more ideas how you can make your life easier. Thanks for watching. inventabot.com